So using the charcoal briquettes, the temperature can go as high as 450 Fahrenheit. And you need to arrange the briquettes properly, as you can see. And this is a small little focaccia which I pre-made the dough earlier. So we're gonna try baking it in our baby cake. So essentially, when you're baking bread in a Kamado, you'll need the temperature between 350 to 390. So we're about there, going up. I uncork the top part to get back the airflow in, so my temperature is going back up. So let it cook some more. Down the temperature a bit. At the same time, I'm gonna put a deflector to bake my bread. So this is just a deflector. I don't want my bread burning. So put it properly and put back the grill base on. We're good to go. Put my focaccia. And put the lid back on. Okay, we're gonna take a sneak peek at the bread, but I just hope it doesn't collapse. Let's see. Very quickly, at 10 minutes plus, this is how the bread looks like. Okay, it has risen nicely. Looking at it, I think it needs a good 30 minutes to brown up. Now, at 30 minutes, let's look at it. Oh wow, look at the color. There's some color on top. Okay, I think I'm gonna give it another 15 minutes so that it's brown all over and we have that crisp top. And I think the perfect heat for bread will be still around 350 to 400 Fahrenheit. Heat is still maintained after 45 minutes. Let's look into our focaccia. I think it's ready. Jang, 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 jang. I love the color. The sides are all baked thoroughly. You can see. Isn't it beautiful? Alright, let's analyze our focaccia from the Kamado. As you can see, it's baked very well due to the constant heat from the Kamado grill that's made of terracotta clay. And the focaccia, crispy on the outside, and oh, it's still hot. And look at the crumb, soft on the inside. I'm gonna try it. It's too tempting. It's good. Does it taste good, Aiden?
Yeah, very nice. Very nice.